you are here, it likely means you are wondering why your ads aren't performing. You are not alone. Trust me, I have been there. Hi there, I am Siddharth, and today we'll be knowing some of the critical performance marketing strategies that can turn things around for you. In this video, we are going to cover key strategies that are most crucial. Firstly, we'll know how to understand your audience through surveys, interviews, and social listening. Secondly, how to set up and optimize your ad operations and marketing operations for a better campaign execution. Thirdly, we'll discover the magic of no-code landing pages that are not only beautiful but conversion focused. Fourthly, we'll be unlocking the power of analytics and attribution to track, measure, and improve your results. Fifthly, we'll talk about measuring pixel conversions and tag management to ensure every click counts. And finally, crafting irresistible ad copy and creatives that grabs your attention and drive action. So let's start. First thing first, understanding your audience is everything. This brings us to our first strategy, that is in-depth customer research. You might think that you know your customer, but do you really know them? Let's break it down by knowing the ways you can do that. We can do that by surveys, create detailed surveys that will help you get to the heart of your customers' wants and needs. What keeps them at night? What solutions are they searching for? Taking it a step further, conduct interviews to get in-depth insights into the problem you need to solve. Trust me, hearing their voices and stories unlock secrets for the solution that you will be providing to the customer. And most importantly, monitor social media channels if you want a gold mine of information. Dive into the comment section or community conversations. They can reveal not just what your audience thinks of you, but also your competitors. If you don't know who you are talking to, how can you create an ad that resonates, right? And here comes our other strategy, that is operating ad ops and marketing ops. Trust me guys, this makes a whole lot of difference in your ads. Now, ad operations is all about executing the ads you have worked hard to create. This means understanding every little detail from the placement to performance metrics, plus monitoring your ad spend, look for connections, and more importantly, optimizing them. Don't let your ads sit in the dark, reducing their potential. And then we have got marketing operations. This is the glue that holds your campaigns together. What's your strategy? How do you align sales and marketing? Marketing ops is where creativity happens. Plus, it enables you to create efficient workflows and ensure all your efforts are turning smoothly towards a common goal. Our next critical strategy will be to know the importance of no-code technology and how it relates to building fantastic landing pages. Now I know what you might be thinking. I don't have a tech background. How can I possibly build a landing page? That's the beauty of no-code tech. Imagine dragging and dropping elements, customizing designs, and launching pages without touching a single line of code. Today, there are incredible tools out there like Webflow, Bubble, or even platforms that are connected with your advertising networks. These can help you to create stunning landing pages in a fraction of time. An attractive landing page can be a game changer. It's not just about making it pretty, it's about creating a clear, focused, and action-driven experience for your audience. Make sure your landing page speaks directly to what your ad promises. For instance, if your ad promises a discount on an item, your landing page would be speaking or emphasizing on that offer. Let's not forget about call to actions. An effective landing page isn't just visually appealing. It should lead your viewers to take specific actions, whether that's downloading an ebook, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. Your calls to action should be clear and irresistible. Place your CTAs effectively and make them visually pop. Now let's jump on to our next part, that is analytics and attribution. Understanding your audience behavior is crucial, and making sense of the metrics can feel overwhelming. But analytics provides the insights you need to evaluate your campaign's performance. Platforms like Google Analytics will be your friend here. Get started by setting up tracking codes and custom events to capture essential data points. What pages are your users landing on? Where are they dropping off? How do they interact once they arrive? Understanding these metrics allows you to optimize your campaigns like a pro. Next up is attribution. What does this mean? It's all about understanding which ad or marketing channel is leading to conversions. Is it the Facebook ad, the landing page, the email newsletter, or something else? You can use the last click model, which attributes the sales to the last touch point before conversions, or try make detailed models like linear or time decay attribution. Understanding these models will help you allocate your budget effectively and walk away knowing which strategy are actually driving your results. Next on our list is pixel conversion and tag management. Now, if you are scratching your head at these terms, don't worry. I have got you covered. Let's break it down. A pixel is a tiny snippet of code you place on your website. This code immensely helps you by tracking the actions that visitors take after they click on your ads. Think of pixels like a digital detective that gathers vital clues about audience behavior. Without proper pixel installation, you could be spending your money on ads having no idea if they are bringing in conversions or just overlooking your budget. So make sure your pixels are accurately tracking key actions like purchases or signups. That way you can see what's working and what's not. Combine this with effective tag management through tools like Google Tag Manager and you will streamline the tracking process. This means less time working with codes and more time focusing on what matters by optimizing your ad campaigns to succeed. Now let's talk about the important metrics in the room, that is copywriting and creatives. This is where your key message comes alive. If your ad copy doesn't resonate with your audience, it doesn't matter how well designed your graphic are, it just won't perform. Here's a quick tip. Use the AIDA formula, that is attention, interest, desire, and action. Capture their attention with a catchy headline, build interest with a relatable problem, create desire by offering a solution, and finish with a clear call to action. And don't forget about your visuals. No one wants to scroll past boring ads. Well, I certainly don't. So employ attractive graphics or videos that not only attracts the eye but also align with your brand's voice. Test variations of your outcomes regularly. You don't know what works until you try. So whether it's a bold solid graphic for Facebook or eye-catching thumbnails for YouTube, invest the time to create attractive creatives. Remember this, if they don't stop scrolling, they'll never see your attractive offers. The beauty of no-code tools makes building higher converting landing pages accessible for everyone. Analytics and attribution help uncover campaign performance and allocate budgets effectively, while pixel tracking and tag management provide deeper insight into user action. Finally, attractive copywriting combined with visually striking creatives will ensure your message not only grabs attention but also drives action. This was it for today. Thanks for choosing Know How Academy. If you find this video helpful and are ready to elevate your performance marketing game, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below and what strategies have worked for you. Until next time, keep creating and optimizing because there's always a room for improvement.